It began in mid-June 2025 in Guizhou province, a mountainous region in southern China. Heavy rain started falling and didn't stop for days. By June 20th, rivers were rising dangerously. Then, on June 23rd, disaster hit. In the city of Rongjiang, the main river surged past its safety level, reaching 256.7 meters, the highest the region has seen since 1954. That's over 11 meters higher than normal in some areas. Homes were swallowed, roads disappeared, power and water were cut off. Whole communities had just hours to evacuate. Many didn't make it out in time. The floods quickly spread beyond Guizhou into Guangxi, Hunan, Yunnan, and Sichuan. As of today, over 80,000 people have been forced to leave their homes. At least 6 people are confirmed dead. But local reports suggest the true number could be higher. The worst hit places are rural towns, areas with weaker infrastructure and few protections. Roads have been washed out. Some villages are completely cut off. China has moved quickly. The army and emergency services have been deployed. Boats, helicopters, food drops, and medical teams are in place. The government raised the flood emergency warning to the highest level. They've also expanded financial aid to cover up to 70% of damages, including for destroyed crops and livestock. And while China has invested heavily in modern flood systems like giant dams, levees, and even green sponge cities in the last few years, those defenses are mostly for urban flooding. This disaster is different. It's happening across steep hillsides, farmland, and river valleys, places where water hits hard and fast. At first, there were signs the worst might be over. But just days later, a second wave of rain hit the same regions again. More rivers overflowed. In Rongjiang alone, another 40,000 people had to be evacuated. Now, weather officials are warning of even more rainfall ahead as a new tropical system builds off the southern coast. The risk isn't over yet. There's real concern about landslides, damaged dams, and entire towns being hit again before things can be repaired. China has seen major floods before, including the 1998 Yangtze River floods that displaced over 10 million people. But this 2025 disaster may be the worst rural flooding in decades, especially when it comes to damage in remote areas where help is harder to reach. Experts say it will take months just to clear the wreckage, and possibly years before the affected towns and farmlands are fully restored. For now, the rain is still falling in parts of the country. Some rivers remain dangerously high, and while China is throwing everything it has at the problem, this isn't over yet. This is a developing story, and we'll keep watching. If you want updates as the situation changes, hit subscribe and drop a comment if you've seen any footage or news we should check out. Our thoughts are with everyone caught in this disaster. This has been a breakdown of the China Floods 2025, and we're just hoping the worst is truly behind them.